You're looking at, Beck?
Evo.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Have you seen it before?
I've seen a lot of Evos.
You have? But have you seen ours?
Yes.
What do you think?
Tokyo Drift, right?
Yeah, you know it.
The Fast and the Furious one.
Huh? Do you get 2 thumbs up? Yeah.
And what? Did you add this blue things?
It came with the car.
Uh,
Why don't you go sit down and look at it?
I think should we drive it to Sue?
Sure. Ooh.
Oh yes, the seat is so cold.
The seat's
Why
cold?
is the seat so cold? The seat is super cold, Daddy. Well,
Those are the wing inside. Comes with the wing.
I need to get that out.
Yeah, we'll put it on today when you're at school.
And you have to drive the bar. And why is it all wrapped up?
So it doesn't get scratched.
And what's this? Daddy?
That's another wing. It has 2 wings.
Wait, what? Why?
Well, the other one is like a reserve, like a backup.
Can you get this one out?
Yeah, we'll take them out later.
But I think this one looks nicer.
Yeah.
This one looks nicer.
So you like it?
Yeah, I like it. You have to insure the insurance, right?
Yeah. Insurance is all done.
Wait, did you do it already?
Yeah.
Oh.
Everything is done, so it's ready to go to drive.
Yeah. Okay.
Just need to put the plates.
Okay, Daddy.
The license plate.
I think.
So how do you feel about the Evo? You're surprised about it?
But Daddy.
Are you excited?
But Daddy, we can just bring the parts out
Yeah,
and we can just drive it to Sue.
we can.
Yeah. Should we?
Sure.
Let's do that.
Let's go look at your Evo.
It's like that.
What do you think?
That's good.
Huh?
Perfect.
Alright guys, finally I got my Evo and it's time to do my own modification. Just little touches of you know, when I got it, it's all stock, so I'm gonna upgrade it a little bit and here we go.